The second day, we spent half of the day in the rain, and the heavy rain, everything was soaked.
Well, I pulled up because they'd pulled up in front of me. I didn't know what the problem was. And then I saw a whole group carrying somebody, didn't know who that was, under the tree, and I thought, this looks bad if he can't walk. It turned out it was Omar. He'd come off his bike in sand. The bike had come down on top of him, across his leg, and he couldn't walk.
Yes, I could see him fall. He hit a big sand and lost control to the left and caught his foot under the bike when it fell on the pannier, and he was stuck, and I lifted him with another assistant, and we had to carry him here under a tree because it was raining heavily.
We had a look at him. We think he's probably broken his distal fibula of his left leg.
Yes, his trip is over. We're sorry to say, we're sad about it, but we're looking for a car to come and move him, four-wheel drive. We can drive him back to Antala, and probably we can get an X-ray there and fly down.
Feeling pain, of course. I feel sad because I'm not gonna finish this unit of adventure. I wasn't speedy at all. I mean, like, I had bigger falls before, but this one I was unlucky. Like, I twisted my ankle under the bike. Just want to keep going with you guys.
Well, there's this beautiful bridge. Guys are fishing off of it over this wonderful river, and unfortunately the bridge is a little too broken to where we can't ride across on this one. So we're gonna have to push it along these planks. And the main reason is on the middle section, there's areas like this spot's okay, but there's areas where 2 or 3 planks are missing and the bike will just go into the water. And it's kind of hard to clean up a big bike that's been drowned. So let's go get these bikes going. That's level. Hold on. Stand down. Okay, it's pouring down rain, as you can see. Got the last bike on here, and we're gonna go across. We've actually crossed 4 or 5 bridges now and repaired them, so the group behind us should be able to march right across them pretty easy.
There's a Pizza Hut across.
What? A Pizza Hut?
We were told there's a Pizza Hut over there.
All right.
So we're gonna go check that out.
Madagascar Pizza Hut.
Okay, ready? Go down. So today has been a very, very wet day. This afternoon we've been with this quite heavy rain for several hours, and the sun is coming down. We actually finally got everybody across the river here, and we're out of time, so we decided that we're gonna go ahead and set up camp right here. There's a very nice little restaurant that has rice and chicken and fish, and it's actually pretty clean and beautiful, and I think this is going to be a nice little arrangement for the night. So we're excited to spend the night here.